Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to fix your TikTok video under review problem. So first things first, open a TikTok application. So after opening it up, go to your profile down over here. Then go to the three dots over here, the about ones. Then go to settings and privacy. After going to settings and privacy, scroll down a bit and then go over here to report a problem, to report the problem of your video. Go over here, then it'll load it up for a few minutes or seconds. After it is loaded up, just check if you can see the video option. If the video option is not available, so what you can do is that TikTok can actually chat with you. So what you can do is just go over here and chat with us, and you just have to tell about your issue, like my video is showing under review and all the things. So what you can do is that after sending this message, you can even attach the video, your photo, whatever what it is, and the TikTok will come back to you after like 24 hours or 48 hours. So they will come with a either like to video the review problem will be solved, or they'll come up with what's the issue and all. So this will be the process to like get the video uploaded and not show the problem and all. So yeah, this was it. Just if you don't see the option, just go to chat with us and you can tell your issue, explain it, and do all the things. And this is it. This will be like the most simple way that you can fix the problem. So yeah, this was the video. Thanks for watching.